Hello guys, so today we're making vegetable soup. Okay, so what we have here in the pot, we have stockfish, pomo, cow tail, and cow leg. Alright, and beef. So this is what we're having. Stay tuned for the finish up. So our meat is almost ready. Sorry, don't mind my voice, so I'm so exhausted, like very tired. So anytime I gonna see my voice when I manage them. So I'm about to add my pepper. I enjoy cooking my vegetable soup this way, and it will still come out perfectly well and delicious. Now it is now. So this is me adding my oil. So as you can see, you still have to leave this water to dry a little. You know it's vegetable soup, so this water is much. So let me just allow this thing to cook a little before adding up the vegetables. So this is me adding up our water leaf. So your water leaf, you're not just going to add everything once. You understand? So you add them bit by bit. You get, I have water leaf and ugu. So this one I will just leave it small, like let me say 3 minutes. Then I'll add another batch of water leaf. So I'm about to add my second batch of water leaf on it. So allow to cook like 3 minutes before I'll add the last batch of water leaf. All right, yo, you can feel the vibe of the soup. This is just water leaf. Ugu is still coming up. So this is the last set of my water leaf. Then after this one, I put my ugu. After ugu, please note, I'll be using crayfish as my thickener for this soup. You understand? So I blended a lot of crayfish to thicken the soup for me. All right. Last but not the least, it is time for the ugu. This life I can't keep myself from. I can't keep myself from. almost ready, guys. So last but not the least, our fish. Case closed. So let me just allow this to sit for 2 minutes. Definitely keep quiet there.